Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And in this video I will show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can make AI short video and how you can grow your YouTube channel. Okay, so this is my YouTube dashboard, this is my analytics, and I will show you the real proof. Okay, so there is no fancy editing. All these tutorials step by step, and I will show you the maybe 4 steps. The number 1 is the script, how we can write a script. Number 2 is how we can create AI video, and number 3 is how we can create AI voices, and number 4 is how we can merge, that's mean how we can edit the video, upload into your YouTube channel the video and the full process. Okay, so just sit back, grab a coffee and watch this tutorial and follow the steps. But before jumping to main topic or video, I will make sure that, so if you create this AI video, what will send this in your YouTube channel, the real data. Here you can see July 8 2025 I published a AI video superhero Spider-Man, and this video got me 13k views, and here you can see 86.2% likes, 238 likes. That's the pretty similar superhero captain, and likes I got 231, and the another one likes 12k, 215 likes. And as you see this, if I scroll, you'll see the AI videos. Most of the AI videos I got likes and the views. So this is the real data, guys. Okay, so you don't worry about YouTube ads or Google ads or any agency to run your YouTube channel. So you can do by yourself, because most of the AI is now available. So just set your time and set your goal and just do the process. Once you complete the process, then you can hire someone else. Okay, so let's get started with our first step. Also, you can use Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever you use, and I think the ChatGPT is the best one. So here you can see this is cat versus robot. It's a scene where you can see the cats and a robot, they are fighting or battlefield. Okay, and the cat versus superhero, cat versus dragon. So these kind of videos are really trending and people gonna love this. And I think it's pretty very simple. You're gonna create the script, just write it your own style, what you want from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you this kind of script. So I will show you the 3 script over here, and I will show you how you can create the 3 videos. Okay, so first of all, copy the script over here. So you can use different AI tools. Okay, so it's called FlexClip.com. okay, that's a amazing tools. So why I use these tools, because, and you will see the lots of AI features over there, videos features over there, images, audios, and lots of things over there. Okay, so let's create the video first. Here you can see the AI section, and here you can see the AI video generation. Okay, so click on that AI video generation. All right, and then you will see the 3 steps in the left side bar. It's a image to video. So if you have any images, so you can create image to video. So this is text to video right now, and it's a Model Pro, and we already copied the video prompt. So click on here, just paste the video prompt over here, and here you can see 16:9 ratio, which is good for YouTube. That's mean if you want to create YouTube video, make sure 16:9. And also you can create mobile friendly, that's mean short video. Okay, also you can create 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, 21:9. okay, so I'm going to click this one, or also you can select this one, and 9:16. so make sure it's a short video. I'm just going to create the short video, and duration 5 seconds and maximum 10 seconds. So click on 10 seconds and it will cut 70 credits. Okay, so click on generate. Okay, so it's generating our video. Here you can see. So let's check the, so I already generated 52 results. You can see the last one is, you can see the cat and panda video already uploaded into my YouTube channel. Okay, so click on download successful. I already downloaded the video. So okay, so let's create the another one. It's a mountain wooden dragon. Okay, perfectly. and ratio is 9:16, 10 seconds. Okay, all right, and click on generating video. So we have already 3 videos over here, 1 and 2, and this one is 6:9. Okay, so I will create each and every part 6:9 also, because I love to create the long video. And it's time to generate the voiceover. So for voiceover we don't need to use another tools. In these tools, FlexClip, you can generate the text to voiceover. Here you can see AI tools, and just go to AI text to speech. So click on that, AI text to speech, convert text to speech. 140 languages supported. Okay, and you can choose the different kind of accent, different ages. Okay, so I will show you how we can do this. So pretty simple. Okay, so AI text to speech, language English, United States, voiceover female Jenny, also voice style general. You can choose the voice style, you can choose assistant, chat, customer service. So I think general is perfect, Jenny is perfect. So just paste the script over here and click on generate. Alright, so our audio is ready over here, so just click on download. Okay, so let's edit the video. For editing, you don't need to any extra software. Okay, so you can do in the FlexClip. Okay, so click on browse. Okay, so we have uploaded 3 videos into FlexClip. That should be 9:16. Okay, so it was by default 6:9, but make sure it's 9:16. Okay, perfect. And it's time to upload the audio first. So click on add audio. Alright guys, so finally our video ready, and it's automatically downloaded. Here you can see. Okay, so let's check out our folder. This one is 30 seconds video. So this is how you can create script, videos, audios. And then the final step is you can directly share with your YouTube channel, TikTok, or other social media, or you can upload into your directly in your YouTube channel. Okay, so I think this would be the easiest one. You can generate AI videos and voiceover, and also the merge the video file. Okay, so let's go back to our YouTube channel, and I'll show you how we can upload the video and then upload the video. So it's a cat versus robot video, so which is really good to grow your YouTube channel, because viewers are interested to watch more videos in your channel. And if you add the video, so that would be great. People will visit your YouTube channel through this link. Click on save unlisted. Okay, and the most important in this part, I will show you how you can music into this video in your YouTube dashboard. Okay, so let's go back to our short section, and we just uploaded this cat versus a robot. So click on here. So once you uploaded your video, and then you can able to add music. So that's really important, and many of you don't know that. Okay, so click on editor, and in this editor, it's a YouTube studio app editor. You can add music over here. Click on audio. You can also see the all tracks. Also you can search over here. Okay, so we are looking for some fight scene music kind of. Okay, so once you see the all the tracks over here, then we can search. Okay, you can see this is the statement what you gonna be. This is the YouTube music track you can use. Okay, heaven and hell. Also you can search. So we are just looking for fight scene. Okay, so write it over here, fight, and let's check it out what kind of fight music or soundtrack over here. Okay, and then you can listen, and then you can select which one is good. So battle of beast, battle of. Okay, so I think the battle of beast is perfect. So let's add. Also you can listen which one is good. So I'm just going to add the battle of beast, and click on save, and you will see a pop-up message over here. Okay, and then click on I acknowledge that these changes are permanent. So click on confirm changes, and it will changes, and it will add music in your video. So because we didn't upload or we didn't add any music sound or track, as you can see this. Okay, so because I wanted to show you how you can do into the YouTube studio. That's the important thing, and within few minutes it will edit, and also you can share this video. Okay guys, so I hope you find this video is helpful, and if you see this is really helpful, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries, please comment below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.